So nice that you guys watching. I have here the A-Build Charge 3 and I'm going to test it here outside. Really amazing weather, so I'm going to see how it performs outside. I'll do it very quick because some people of course here, and not everybody likes very loud music of course. Let's begin. I will play the song first. I will play it now on loudness. Hearing very great, very loud of course. I will turn it to the other side so you guys can see how it performs on a greater distance. First I will put the volume a little bit higher. As you guys can hear, it already begins to, of course the volume is a little bit lower now. Maybe you guys can hear it, I can still hear it very clear. I hope you guys have enjoyed this short outside test. And you guys can hear, I will become closer. So, this was my outside test. I hope you guys enjoy it. Have a great day. Bye.